I'm God, he a part of it. He pulled both of us over. He like, man, you listen to me, I ain't listening to y'all. He a part of the traffic stop. Do the fuck you want.
I was in the car.
Straight like that, pulled over. So basically,
before we shut the up, let's turn around, put our hands behind our back.
how you going?
Get back. I'm gonna stay back off here. Stay back.
Don't do that, Lawson.
Stop,
bro. You wrong, bro. For real. You wrong, bro.
On the 24th of March, 2023, police officers from Decatur County, Mississippi, conducted a traffic stop. The car occupants are twin brothers. Here is how the situation unfolded.
He's 36. How you doing? You part of this traffic stop? If not, get back in your vehicle and drive away.
He a part of it. He a part of it.
No, he's not.
I'm God, he a part of it. He pulled both of us over. He like, man, you listen to me, I ain't listening to y'all. He a part of the traffic stop. Do the fuck you want.
I was in the car.
Straight like
Man,
that.
he told me to get right here.
Turn your body camera on. He a part of the traffic stop.
Hey,
He a part of the traffic stop. So how you gonna tell him to leave?
stand quiet. Stand by. Both of you. Did you stop in the second vehicle?
No, I stopped.
He needs to out of here. You, in your vehicle, out of here.
I'm not in that car, man. I was in here. He was in my car.
Okay, who is this vehicle?
We don't know what. I don't know them, man.
Look out.
You look out. That's you. That's your fucking job.
Hey, guy.
First of me, I can say what I gotta say.
Yeah, you're right. You can. But understand, we're not going to stand out here and scream and yell on the side of the road. Because then you will be being defeated.
You can do that. I'm just saying.
Okay. All right, guy. You go ahead and dig some ID out for me, too. How you doing? We don't need you out here. You're not part of this. Go on. Thank you.
What we get pulled over for? That's what I understand.
I don't know. I'm not part of that.
That's cool.
But I'm telling you that we're not going to scream and yell on the side of the road. We're not going to do that.
You good, Toy? You ain't got to talk to him. I don't give a
Go ahead and produce your ID for me.
What you need my ID for? I'm driving.
You're in the vehicle.
What that mean?
We can absolutely ask for a passenger ID, and I'm going to have one. Need your ID right now.
How you going to ID me? I want to drive in the car.
I need your ID right now.
Hey, it's cool. I'm going to give you my ID. Y'all, this shit crazy, bro. What he put him over for?
Give me your ID
I'm
now.
giving. What you see? Okay, I'm getting it to you.
Produce it.
I'm producing.
You only ID to drive.
Can I?
Thank you.
Hey, you ain't got to snatch nothing from my brother now.
You gotta talk to him.
Come on, man. Y'all really on. This is the second time today.
We're pretty close to going into cuffs, guys.
Let me go. I ain't do nothing. Oh, God. Hey, the second time. You should got your bodycam on. Tell me
Gonna
the
have
second time
a
today. I'll be in the
second
rain.
27 for you. 802-94-2040. 802-94-2040.
Exactly. You was getting bullied in school, and I think this shit cool. Pull people over. Wow. Okay, that's cool.
Okay, guys.
Hey, that's cool. Shut the f
To be in control here.
Man, shut up. Oh, God, that shit, like, y'all harassing me, bro. This is the second time today.
We got an arrestable offense here.
Go ahead, please do it. Please arrest me. For what?
Blue lights.
How? I'm doing the same shit everybody else doing. I'm doing the same shit everybody else doing. I literally pulled over and honked my horn. He got behind me speeding.
Well,
just like I did earlier, did the speed limit, got pulled over. So basically,
before we shut the up, let's turn around, put our hands behind our back.
How you going?
Turn around, put your hands behind your back, palms up. Easy.
That shit crazy. Y'all know, fuck, that shit lame anyway.
Okay, guy. We're not going to stand out here and scream and yell.
Take it, 12. Just go, bro. Just go. Just go, 12.
Alright, man, come on now. Alright, bro, you finna break my damn ribs.
Stop resisting. Get back. I'm going to stay back off here. Stay back off of here. You stay back.
Don't do that, Lotion.
Stop resisting.
Stay like that, Lotion.
Stop resisting.
Stay like that, Lotion.
Recording, bro.
Don't come, Lotion.
I'm right recording.
Don't come, Lotion. They gonna shoot you, bro. Don't do
Out
it.
of here.
Don't do it, Lotion. They gonna shoot you, bro.
You good, bro?
Go.
They gonna shoot you, bro. They gonna shoot you, Lotion.
This type of shit I be
Don't
talking
do it,
about.
Lotion.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. You saying, bro? You say that shit, man. You wrong, bro. You fucking wrong, bro. For real. You wrong, bro.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Palms
Wrong,
up.
bro.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back, palms up.
That's cool.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back, palms up.
My mama ain't worried about you, bro. You know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on, bro.
We're not going to stand out here and do this.
Bro, y'all wrong, bro.
No, I don't think so, guy.
Come on. I ain't resisting, bro.
We're going to do is stand out here.
I ain't resisting, bro. That's them, bro. You wrong, bro.
But we're not going to stand out here and scream and yell either. We're not going to disturb the public peace.
I put my phone in my pocket, though, bro.
You can do that.
I can't, because you hold my arm, fam.
Well, you ain't going to swing around on me.
Well, you see from my pocket, bro?
Yeah.
I
Get
ain't
it in
saying
there.
what you saying. I'm
Just
sorry.
calm down.
That's cool. I can hold my shit, but y'all wrong.
You can hold it. Be fine.
Come on, bro. Y'all wrong, bro. I ain't
I got it on. We got it on record. How'd you feel?
You wanna-
Yeah, I would have hit you, fam. I would would have hit you.
Ryan, you want to take this one? Let me have him.
This shit lame for
Be real with
He's
yourself.
calmer. You want me to take him?
Don't put him in the car.
Man, don't take me with him. Do not take me with him, bro.
Y'all, bro, you wrong, bro, for real.
Do not take me with him, bro. Oh God, don't take me with him.
So we going to jail off of failed to yield, cuz?
And we
In a
yield.
fucking pass zone?
And we yield.
In a pass
Actually, you're
zone.
going for disturbing the peace.
I don't give a fuck.
How do you disturb the peace?
You can't stand out here and scream and yell.
I don't give a
What?
fuck, bro. I ain't tripping, bro. My mama ain't
Bro,
tripping.
what?
I ain't worried about it. Fuck you, bro. You a cornball.
He better come
In
on my
fact,
phone.
you were in fact resisting his arrest, so we're going to
How
put
was I
that
I'm resisting.
How was I resisting?
You're resisting his
I'm in.
arrest.
I'm in the video telling him to cooperate. How the fuck am I resisting his arrest? That doesn't even make sense, bro.
I got stuff on that seat. Brian, you'll have to pull.
Can you answer my question though?
Just stand by a second.
Okay.
We're going to handle our business and we'll talk to you.
You know what I'm saying? You gonna answer my question though when I get done talking. I mean, when you get done handling your business though.
Hey, how's it disturbing the peace? I just want to ask you a question.
I'm just, man, I don't understand that.
How's it disturbing
If I'm telling him to cooperate and put his hand behind his back, so y'all, how the f*** y'all
Is that in fact what you were doing?
Once he's on the ground,
Is that what you were doing?
bro, I got it
No,
on video.
that
I
was
said,
not
Conte,
what
just
you were doing.
cooperate. Okay, bro, that's cool. I got my video, bro. I ain't tripping. Oh, bro, y'all corn, man. For real, bro. You too old for this shit, bro. For real. You grown ass man. You know that? You grown ass man. You just sat there and let that man slam that man, bro. And he got his hands on his back. Come on, bro. You know this man, fuck with this man, bro. You was there the first time he put my watch you, bro. I walked up and watched you. Yeah, and you seen him the first time you see him with him again. We're not even in the Decatur, bro. We're not in Decatur no more.
Well, if you'd stop for the blue
Are
lights
we
in Decatur.
He never turned him on. He had somebody else pull over. How the f is that going? Why would he stop for somebody else to pull over? That don't even make fucking sense. Be real with yourself, man. He had to pull it over on the line. So how the
I ain't part of that.
That's cool, bro. You know you haven't pulled over it. Man, y'all, this shit crazy, bro. You a cornball for real, bro.
Absolutely.
Come on, I ain't tripping.
I prefer the term corn dog.
April 2023, about a month later following the incident, the Walker family has submitted a formal complaint and says they are preparing to file a lawsuit against the Decatur Police Department. A news outlet also spoke with the attorney representing the Decatur Board of Aldermen. He stated that the only issues currently pending are the criminal charges filed against the defendants. According to the Walker family, they intend to pursue multiple claims, including police brutality, excessive force, and endangerment, along with other allegations. July 2023. Police say that after discussions, both sides reached an agreement. The department would drop all criminal charges against the brothers. And, in return, the family would withdraw their complaints against the town of Decatur, its police department, and the two officers involved in the arrest. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.